In lesson number 8, we're going to cover the tenses in German. So without further ado, we will cover this lesson. In German, like many other languages, the same verb has different moods. But what is mood? Mood refers to whether a verb is real, unreal, or imperative. For example, in English, go is an imperative verb if you direct it at somebody. Now here, we can see the number of tenses in German and the moods in German, and also examples in English. So it is important to remember that we have 6 tenses in declarative mood, which is the most common mood used in English and German. It makes no difference because, as you know, German is the mother language of English and the easiest language to learn for those whose mother tongue is English. And 6 tenses in the subjunctive mood. I go. Now this subjunctive mood is mostly used in unreal situations, for example, in conditional sentences. For example, when you want to conjugate the verb to be in the past in subjunctive mood, you use were for all of the subjects. You say if I were you. You don't say if I was you. Well, in conversation you could, but it is not considered proper grammar. Proper grammar would suggest you to use if I were you. That's correct. And the imperative mood in German has only 4 forms. Now we are going to cover that in future. Go. Now, note, there are no continuous tenses in German. In English, we have 6 continuous tenses, whereas in German, we have no continuous tenses. So this is an important idea. If you want to convey a continuous action in German, we use different methods to transfer this idea of continuity. Whereas in English, we have some tenses. We have, for example, a present continuous, past continuous, future continuous. We have present perfect continuous. We have past perfect continuous. And also, we have future perfect continuous. So let's talk about a declarative or indicative mood, the indicative mood or evidential mood. So we talked about this mood, which is the most common mood, which is used both in German and English. So let's talk about tenses here. The first tense we use the main tenses. We have 3 main tenses in all of the languages of the world. Basically, we have present, past, and future. Present, past, and future. Now, we have 6 tenses in German. In present, we have simple present and present perfect. The same thing goes for the past tense, which is simple past and past perfect. And the same thing goes for future, future simple, and future perfect. So we have 3 simple tenses and also 3 perfect tenses. Remember, when we combine them, we have 6 tenses. So here, simple tenses are present, past, and future, and perfect tenses are present, past, future. 2 multiplied by 3 makes 6 sentences. So simple present is in German. Now, it is important to note that we're talking about German. Simple present is I go or I'm going. This is the examples in English. I go or I am going. Simple past is I went and I was going. Future tense is I will go or I will be going. So this is expressed in very simple terms. Present perfect is I have gone or I have been going. Past perfect is I had gone or I had been going, and future perfect is I will have gone and I will have been going. Now, for example, here I'm going to teach you how to conjugate a verb in different tenses in German. Please follow us in future videos.